Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this spinning Cardcaptor Sakura necklace. So to make this, I'm going to be using some of the goodies that we received in the Sophie and Toffee Elves box for the month of March. It was a Sakura theme and I absolutely love cherry blossoms, so I was very excited to receive this. And of course, I am a big Cardcaptor Sakura fan, and this is the 25th anniversary of that anime, and so yes, I was like, I have to do something to commemorate that. So here is what we got in the box. I absolutely love the exclusive Sakura molds. I think that I will definitely get multiple usage out of them, and I was also very kindly sent some new colored resins. This is the crystal resin. This one is translucent, and these are the diamond dust UV resins. These ones are glittery, and I also got some really cute candy resin pigments too, so you'll see me use these throughout this craft. Now, I know that we got epoxy resin in the box, but I was a little bit strapped for time, so I decided to do the entire project with UV resin, which actually worked just fine, but you're more than welcome to use a more long curing resin if you want to. Of course, I added in plenty of glitter, because glitter. Check out the discount code below. You're very welcome. And yes, I am using a heat gun here, but that's just simply to make the resin be a little bit more runny so that it can get right into all of the crevices of the mold. Don't worry, I had it on a low heat. The mold is fine. Now, when it came to choosing a disc, I went for the one that had like the least bit sticking out, because I knew I was going to have to sand those down in order to be able to stick Sakura's face on there. And so I literally had to just like hope and pray, because this was the only sticker that I had. But luckily, it all worked out fine. And I used some UV sealer on the top and also along the sides as well, just to make sure that it was definitely stuck down there. And I added some glitter, because glitter. Then I just simply drilled a hole into the center of the disc, and it did make it a little bit cloudy, but it was fine. I knew I was going to be adding more resin anyway, so I wasn't too worried about that. And then I added in the little flower pin that I had made from the this mold here, this large Sakura mold. And when I stuck it down, like, you have to really make sure that the two pieces move as one. You can't have the little pin spinning within this little disc here, because then it just won't work. You have to have those two moving as one piece, and then this back piece here has to go only on the pin. It doesn't stick right onto the back of the large Sakura. It only goes on the pin, so that now you have this sort of spinning mechanism. I hope that that makes sense. One thing I really enjoyed was making these teeny tiny little Sakuras, and I definitely think that I'll be getting a lot of usage from that mold in particular. And I love the fact that now that Larissi sell teeny tiny rhinestones, it just was a really nice little accent to them. But yeah, so they've been doing rhinestones for a little while now, and they have them in all different sizes, so definitely do go ahead and check that out. Be careful as well when you are adding the shaker film to this, because when I popped it out from the large piece of film, because it was already pre-cut, it did rip slightly, so please just be wary of that. But it's nothing that a little bit of UV resin can't fix, but I'm just saying, just be wary and be gentle with it. Yeah, so after I domed this and added on some bling around the edges, oh my gosh, look at those rhinestones. Oh, so gorgeous. I then simply added some bails to the back, and then added some jump rings and some chain, and then boom bam, thank you ma'am, we have our beautiful necklace. What do we think? Please let me know in the comment section below what you think of this necklace. It's such a fidgety piece. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love the fact that it's Sakura themed. Yeah, it makes me very happy, and I hope it makes you happy too. If you have enjoyed this video, and more importantly, if you have learned something from this video, then please do share it with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.